Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with prerequisites that matter: charged AirPods, updated iPhone, and an active Bluetooth connection. First, pair your AirPods 3 and confirm they appear under Devices. Once done, open Control Center or go to Settings Bluetooth and tap the info icon next to AirPods. This is where you'll access noise controls and spatial audio toggles. Make sure your firmware is current so noise features behave correctly. Next, prepare to switch modes and adjust fit for best cancellation. You'll now enable active noise cancellation. Press and hold either AirPod stem to cycle through noise control modes. Alternatively, open the audio card in Control Center and choose noise cancellation. Once active, make sure you have a tight seal, reposition the AirPods, and try different ear angles to reduce ambient leak. If you're unsure, switch briefly to transparency to hear the difference, then back to noise cancellation. Repeat this fit check until external sounds drop significantly, which indicates ANC is working effectively. To finish, verify ANC by playing familiar audio and listening for reduced low-frequency noise and clearer mid-range. If modes don't toggle or cancellation feels weak, reset your AirPods. Place them in the case, hold the setup button until the light flashes, then repair. Make sure speaker meshes are clean because debris reduces seal and ANC effectiveness. Finally, update firmware via your paired device. If problems persist after those steps, contact support, but try the reset and cleaning first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.